For my good Christian friend. Yeah. Yeah. The nice part is, yeah, you'll probably end up. Well, it's another lawsuit. It's a Class B felony to misprison kidnapping. Yes. To issue dissolutions of marriage where there's no due process to their father. Yes. No jurisdiction of law. Yes. To use lookalikes and twins in forgery and fraud so that Homeland Security could cover up their crimes. There's numerous laws here. Yes. The United States of America. Yeah. A federal legislation, United States Code, Collection Crimes and Criminal Proceedings. Yeah. Torture Victim Protection Act. Yeah. Title 8 of the Code of Federal Regulations, Prohibitions. Ouch. Definition of torture. Yes. Do you understand how many different forms of torture that you've used to be able to keep Benjamin Graham Budnick? Torture. Well, they're my biological sons. Yes. You issued them. You issued the court orders. And you've been using court orders to have me arrested. And then you've used coercive tactics of issuing lying sanctions. Well, the state of Washington has committed one of the worst crimes in the history of this nation. I know it doesn't seem like blood and guts to you. Yes. But participation in torture. Yes. Title 182340 of the United States Code of Collection. And for some reason you thought, well, it doesn't matter. Deprivation of rights under color of law. The fabricating of fake evidence against the accused. Yes. So that you can be on the judge. Right. So you can prosecute those that you arrest. Yes. And then the use of coerced mental health evaluations. Right. So that you can misprison your felony. Whoever, under color of any law, statute, ordinance, regulation, or custom, willfully subjects any person in any state, territory, commonwealth, possession, or district in the deprivation of any rights, yes, civil rights, guaranteed constitutional rights, humanitarian rights, fundamental rights, privileges, or immunities secured or protected by the constitutional laws of the United States, or to different punishments, pains, or penalties on account of such person being an alien or by reason of his color or race than are prescribed for the punishment of citizens, shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 1 year or both. And if the physical bodily injury of sleep apnea, pooch, because of being deprived insurance and a state issued identification. If all my broken teeth and all the pain and suffering I've endured resulted from the acts of your felony, uh, attempted use or threatened use of dangerous weapon, explosive or fire, shall be fined in prison not more than 10 years, or both, and if death results from the acts committed in violation of the section, or if such acts include kidnapping. It is kidnapping to issue court orders where there is no due process, there is no jurisdiction of law, and there is no actual dissolution of marriage. Kidnapping, or an attempt to commit aggravated sexual abuse. You pissed on me. An attempt to kill. I did actually die. Yes. Shall be fined under this title and imprisoned for any term of years or for life or both or may be sentenced to death. Now, this torture that I'm experiencing adds to this. Life imprisonment, Sheriff. Life imprisonment. I want you to remove the dissolution of marriage and I want my sons returned and I want these federal laws enforced. I want this fraudulent protection order removed for numerous reasons. But the most important is that I want to have my family. Yes. And then I'm going to want this 242 enforced to the full extent of the law because you'll never get out. You'll never get out of prison. Now you're going to give me Marilyn Van Proyen and her kids. Yes. You're going to give me my sons. You're going to give me my genetic children. They're going to live with me. Yes. And then I'm going to use this court system in every court of the world to sue you.